What's up, guys? Today we're going to take apart the SKS. We're going to do a little disassembly video, get it back together. Alright, so first things first, with any weapon, you want to double check, make sure it is 100% unloaded before proceeding. Alright, first things first with the SKS, there's a little switch back here. It's in the back, right here. You flip it up, you flip it 90 degrees, up and out. So now that you take out this little switch here, you pull off this little dust cover. And this is just the little back plate. This is the retaining lever. Now you pull out your spring. Next, your bolt and your bolt carrier will all come out. A little hard to do backwards. So that's about it. When it comes to a quick little breakdown, you have your bolt carrier and your bolt. Your firing pin is in here. It's a free float firing pin, so make sure this guy can move. There is another little lever on the side. You go 90 degrees again, I think. You pull that off, and out comes your piston. So that's a quick little takedown of an SKS rifle. I'm going to go outside, show you some lubing tips, and then we'll bring it back inside and do a quick reassembly. So there's all your parts to an SKS. Your dust cover, your spring, your bolt carrier group. You have inside the rifle here. Alright, now that we have it completely taken down, I just use my shotgun cleaner. I take this and I spray every part down. And yeah, with something like this, I use my trusty little brush here and I scrub all around it. Now with an SKS, it is just a free floating firing pin. You want to make sure that this is the cleanest part, or else you'll start having slam fire issues and it'll shoot until it's done, it's out of bullets. Now that we're back inside and she's all clean, let's put her back together. So on the reassembly, you're going to want to start with your gas tube, put your piston in the front here. Alright, so now that your piston is in your gas tube, you want to seat it in the front. You kind of want to start pushing it down. Make sure your rod doesn't come out the back here. Snap it down, get your fingers out the way. Alright, so you take your bolt and your bolt carrier and everything, and you want to slide it in. I don't know if I can do this backwards, it's a little sloppy. So this seat's in the back here, and what you want to do is push it on down. You push it down in the front, slide it forward, look at that. Ooh. Alright, last thing, take a nice shiny spring. Someone's going to tell me I put this in backwards, I'm not sure, but this is how I'm sticking it in. So now that the spring is in, you take your dust cover, put that right on top, push it forward. Anyway, make sure your little lever's out of the way, push it forward, push it in, wiggle it around, she'll go in, push it back down, lock it in. Make sure everything runs real nice. So yeah, that's a quick disassembly of an SKS rifle. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.